sector contributes very important part to Indonesia, with its large energy resources to be mined, even for the world. Therefore, Indonesia needs to have advanced technology and excellent human resources to achieve the best energy management for resources sustainability.
The Faculty of Mining and Petroleum Engineering, known as FTTM of the Institute of Technology Bandung, or ITB, has important study programs in Indonesia. FTTM students have a strong base in the fields of oil and gas, mining and metallurgy, geothermal, as well as geohazard mitigation. The rigorous curriculum of FTTM prepares our students to work in industries that greatly contribute to Indonesia.
Beyond that, FTTM also prepares for issues which raise global awareness. So all departments in FTTM have international accreditation as guarantee for our human resource competencies. Firstly established in 1948 as Mining Division under Faculty Technical Sciences, nowadays the Mining Engineering Department covers the knowledge needed for the exploration phase up to mining exploitation stage. The Mining Engineering Study Program aims to produce excellent mining engineering graduates who have highly competitive spirit to utilize and conserve coal and mineral resources by implementing environmental awareness in the global competitiveness. Along with our advanced laboratories in the mining area and excellent facilities to support learning process for students, Mining Engineering ITB ensures to keep its role in providing academic excellence for Indonesia and the world. The Petroleum Engineering Study Program was first initiated in 1950 as an undergraduate option to the Mining Engineering Department. In 1962, it was re-established as a separate Petroleum Engineering Department. The Petroleum Engineering Department introduced a graduate program later in 1980 and has ever since produced more than 2,000 alumni, which spread in various expertise and positions in the national and international energy industry. Facilitated with comprehensive laboratories and access to books and journals through its own laboratory, the Petroleum Engineering Study Program provides convenient environment for students to enhance their comprehension of petroleum engineering. Motivated by the existence of national needs for geophysicists in the earth resource exploration industry, as well as earth and environmental disaster mitigation, Geophysical Engineering ITB is the first geophysical engineering study program in Indonesia, independently established as a department in 2005. The learning activities for students is not only comprised of classroom lecture, but also combined with routine and scheduled laboratory work, practical training, and excursion to the field. The laboratory facilities in geophysical engineering are highly developed and equipped with advanced technology of geophysical equipment and instruments. Abundant source of geophysical knowledge in the form of printed book, lectures handout, national and international journals are available for students. The Metallurgical Engineering Department was officially opened at ITB in June 2006 under the Faculty of Earth Sciences and Mineral Technology. Metallurgical engineering is a field of science that uses the scientific principles of physics, mathematics, and chemistry as well as engineering processes to analyze in details and in-depth the phenomena of mineral processing, including coal processing, extraction of metals and alloying processes, metal mechanical behavior, and its relationship with microstructure, metal strengthening phenomenon, failure and degradation of metals. Geothermal Engineering Master Program was established in mid-2008 and is offered by the Faculty of Mining and Petroleum Engineering. The Master Program focuses on technical and practical aspects of geothermal energy exploration, exploitation, utilization, economics, management, and environment. Geothermal Master Programs offers two majors, Exploration Program and Engineering Program. Courses that are offered in Geothermal Master Program ITB are carried out in the class and supported by academic and field activities such as laboratory field trip, industrial trip, and weekly geothermal forums from geothermal expertise. By doing development and implementation of 3 pillars of higher education, including education, research, and community services, in transparent, accountable, responsible, independent, and equitable means for achieving the best FTTM role for Indonesia.
Lalu untuk prospek kerjanya itu sendiri dari teknik pertambangan bisa masuk ke perusahaan-perusahaan pertambangan tentunya seperti PT Freeport Indonesia, PT Beraukol, PT Antam Indonesia, dan juga PT Bukit Asam. Selain itu, untuk lulusan teknik pertambangan itu sendiri bisa masuk ke dalam industri-industri lainnya seperti industri pengolahan bahan galian dan juga industri yang masih berhubungan dengan mineral dan juga batu bara. Selain itu kita juga dapat bekerja dalam konsultan, tentunya dalam konsultan tambang dan juga dalam bank itu sendiri kita untuk bisa menganalisis kelayakan dari tambang itu sendiri.
Prospek kerja yang ada di teknik perminyakan. Salah satunya kami bisa masuk dalam industri migas. Perusahaan migas, salah satunya perusahaan nasional yaitu Pertamina ataupun multinasional seperti ExxonMobil. Selain itu juga kami bisa masuk ke dalam service company, konsultan, juga perbankan. Lalu banyak juga dari alumni-alumni kami yang telah membuka pekerjaan juga sebagai wirausaha.
Nah, untuk prospek kerja teknik geofisika sendiri sangat luas karena kami mempelajari kebumian dan apa yang ada di dalam bumi. Salah satunya adalah eksplorasi sumber daya alam, baik itu minyak, tambang, geotermal, dan masih banyak lagi. Lalu selanjutnya adalah mitigasi bencana alam karena kami mengerti keadaan di bumi seperti apa dan kami tahu apa yang harus kami lakukan ketika bencana alam itu terjadi. Maka mitigasi bencana alam salah satu prospek yang bisa diambil dari lulusan mahasiswa teknik geofisika. Selanjutnya adalah geoteknik ataupun konstruksi bangunan, dan itu juga sebenarnya sudah banyak mahasiswa teknik geofisika yang lari ke arah sana seperti itu. Dan yang sangat jelas dan sangat banyak juga diambil oleh teman-teman teknik geofisika adalah sebagai data analis, karena di sini kami juga belajar bagaimana menganalisis data melalui script coding untuk menemukan cara efektif mencari kebutuhan dari data-data yang ada.
Lalu untuk prospek kerja sendiri, industri teknik metalurgi ITB memiliki prospek di pertama industri pertambangan. Kita bisa bekerja di industri pertambangan sebagai pengolahan bahan galian. Yang kedua di industri ekstraksi logam, menjadikan logam menjadi logam murni. Yang ketiga di industri migas. Biasanya industri migas sendiri kita menjadi insinyur korosi, ahli korosi dari migas tersebut. Dan yang keempat kita bisa juga berada di industri manufaktur yang ada di kota tersebut, sehingga industri metalurgi ini kita nggak perlu selalu kerja di lapangan di pertambangan, kita juga bisa kerja di kota di industri-industri yang ada.